Hi, my name is Joe Altieri, and I am the inventor and CEO of FlexScreen, the world's first and only flexible window screen. You may have seen me pitch my product on Shark Tank, where I got a deal with the queen of QVC, Lori Grenier. Or this may be the first time that you've ever seen a flexible window screen. Either way, I invite you to check out FlexScreen.com to learn more about how our screens are revolutionizing the window industry. No more struggling with complicated hardware and flimsy aluminum frames that damage and break so easily and block a significant portion of your view. Our sleek PVC-coated spring steel frame is nearly indestructible. It contains zero hardware and hides in your screen track to create a beautiful, uninterrupted view. FlexScreen is a home improvement upgrade that will stand the test of time. And that's why I'm so pleased to partner with Easy Homes, a leader in the remodeling business that consistently offers quality products and delivers expert workmanship. We have authorized them to offer FlexScreen to their clients as the standard option during a limited time promotion in select areas. Be sure to ask your representative today for a complete demonstration and details on how you can take advantage of this special promotion. And I hope you'll be enjoying your entire view through your FlexScreen window screens soon.